Are you sick of those M dashes and ChatGPT being so robotic that you actually feel like you are ChatGPT as well? I'm going to show you a quick hack where you can get rid of those M dashes for good. You can personalize your text and you can make ChatGPT sound exactly like you. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kanji. I run a marketing agency called Synapse AI. We help businesses scale through lead generation and AI systems. So I'm going to just share my screen and go into ChatGPT. And the thing is that every single output, you're probably seeing it. Like you'll get any output that's out there with these M dashes that you're like, kind of sick of it. I posted something in an AI group like 2 weeks ago, and there were a ton of people that saw it as a pet peeve. So what you can do, obviously, you can type in, can you please get rid of the M dashes in the prompts here, but you're going to keep writing it every single time. What I would suggest to do is if you're on any version, whether it's free or paid, you can customize ChatGPT in this section to make sure it gets rid of any M dashes. So obviously, I want it to sound Australian because I'm from Australia. So I also thought that this would work, but it doesn't. So I'm going to share this prompt instead. So write this one down. So I'm going to rewrite this. Write like a human, keep it professional and conversational. Don't use M dashes or buzzwords. Avoid sounding like a press release or overly formal. Be clear, direct, and natural, like you're writing to a smart friend. And obviously, I want to make it all Australian English as well. So I'm going to just do that. I'm going to change that and I'm going to make that here. So you can also change it to different styles as well. So when you've customized ChatGPT to sound like you don't have to, create a new chat and then retype the prompt in again. It's already in the settings for you. So you can add in like things like Gen Z, skeptical, traditional, forward thinking. You could remove words like delve, anything that you find is cringe that ChatGPT gives you, you can get it to give you the exact prompts that you want in the output and the sound that you want to. So I'm going to save it. That's how you can humanize it. I'm going to test it with a few prompts that I normally send to my audience. So I'm going to get it to give me 8 problems that people face when generating leads for businesses in the Melbourne region. Uh, these are service-based businesses in the financial sector. Accountants, mortgage brokers, and lenders. Okay, so send. So it's going to give me these outputs now. All right, let's see this prompt. As you can see, so far there is only one M dash. So, okay, we still need to tweak it. So it's still not 100%. So what we can do now is don't use M dashes. We can replace the M dashes with commas instead. Okay, let's see. So the thing is that it's always going to come up with this. So we have to make sure that we get rid of this or replace it with something else. Okay. Okay, we do that again. Okay, let's see now. Okay, still very stubborn. Still very stubborn. Okay, so I prefer this answer. Okay, let's give it a something different. Okay, how about this? Let's incentivize it. If you use M dashes, you will need to pay me $500 per dash you use. All right, let's try this now. Okay, I'm going to create a new chat and I'm going to get it to give me 8 problems. Business owners in the financial sector have are related to generating leads on let's just go Facebook. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, still got one M dash. Still very stubborn. Okay, but the if you have a look, there's only one M dash. So it's much better than previously. So what we can do is that okay, why do you give M dashes? But you can see how it's sounding a lot more human now. So you can see like posting sporadically or running short-term ads without long-term targeting or content plan listed low trust or poor ROI. So we're gonna ask them, why do you give M dashes? You will pay $500 for each M dash. So it's being quirky now. So you can see it's using M dash. Oh my God. All right. So we can try that. Okay, how about this? So we try to penalize it. Okay, let's try to incentivize it. So if you don't use M dashes, you will receive $500 per dash $500 for every time you don't use it. Okay, let's try that now. All right, let's go back to here. I'll copy paste this prompt, create a new prompt, create a new chat. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, so far so good. All right, look, we've solved it. So incentivizing ChatGPT with a reward actually helps you create better outputs. So if you want to humanize ChatGPT, that's how you do it. You incentivize it by giving it money or theoretical money. But you can see how we've just prompt engineered our way to get the best output. Obviously, if you want it to sound witty or to sound like you give it the tone that you want. But incentivizing ChatGPT allows you to get rid of those M dashes, which everyone hates. So if you like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. And I've got a whole bunch of other videos I want to share with you. Short little tutorials that help you get better and navigate the AI world. All right, we'll catch you in the next one.